Hello guys, welcome to techvice. I don't know if you can see me from there, but today we are testing the Saramonic Blink 500. It's around 60 feet distance from the camera, and we are testing it. If you know about the colors, this is being tested on a Gopro Hero 8 with the media mod installed on the camera. I'm gonna show you how it works. I have the transmitter here, and I'm using the lavalier microphone here in my t-shirt. So now I'm gonna show you how to connect the Saramonic Blink 500 on the GoPro. Okay, let's start with the setup. First thing you need to know is that you will need the GoPro media mod for this setup, because the media mod has the 3.5 audio jack in the back of the mod, and here's where you will need to plug the audio cable that comes with the Saramonic system. You have the audio jack next to the USB-C port. Let's start turning on the camera. Okay. Then let's go to preferences. Go to input output. The only option you will see there in input is the media mod selected by default, because you are using the microphones inside the media mod. So now you can take the receiver and plug it into the hot tube, and take the audio cable and plug one end in the receiver and the other end on the media mod. Once you plug the cable, you will notice that default option changed to power mic. You have different options there: standard mic plus, power mic plus, and line in. Leave it on power mic. Why power mic? Because the Saramonic Blink 500 is powered by a battery. So you need to let the GoPro know that you are using a power microphone. After that, you can go back and turn on the receiver and the transmitter. Once you see the lights go solid on both devices, you're good to go. Remember that if you are going to use two transmitters, you need to do the same with the second one. Let's go back to the park and test this setup. So now we are testing the two transmitter and one receiver. I have Gigi with me, my son, and he's using the transmitter with the built-in microphone, and I'm using the second transmitter with the built-in microphone. Today is very windy, so I don't know how it's gonna sound, but let's see.
I'm out of school. I'm in summer. I like it. I love you. Bye.
Love you. So he's using the one with the built-in microphone, and I have the second transmitter with the lavalier microphone. Keep in mind that we have around 20 feet apart, and from the camera around 30-35. So let me know in the comments which one you think sounds better. Now Gigi wants to test the transmitter with the built-in microphone.
Hey guys, right now I'm testing the microphone and I'm riding my skateboard.
Now we are testing the microphone. It's very windy, I'm sorry about that, but it's a good test. I'm using the microphone, but with the lavalier microphone, one transmitter, and I'm still using the GoPro Hero 8. I don't know if you can see it through my sunglasses. If not, you can see it to that camera. So I'm still using the GoPro Hero 8 and the Saramonic Blink 500 with two transmitters. So let me know in the comments what you think about this system. It's very affordable compared with the Rode wireless Go, and it's going to improve your audio. So let me know in the comments if you like it, what you want to know about this system, and see you on the next one.